And in this video we're going to be unboxing something wrapped over here. Now obviously by the title of the video you're going to know what it is. It's the S9 Plus, but there's something special about this one here. This is the S9 Plus dual SIM version, so it's from abroad. So it's the dual SIM version, 128GB. I believe this one has the Exynos processor, but I will be double checking that in the review video. So this is just going to be the unboxing. We're literally, all we're going to do is open the box, have a look and see what's inside. So it comes very well packaged. Also the link to buy this I will put down below in the description as well. Let's try and cut into this packaging around here. Don't want to damage the box either. Let's try and get into it. We may even do some comparison videos, such as the S9 Plus versus the iPhone 8, or the S9 Plus versus my current phone, which is the LG V30. So it does come with a European to UK adapter. Like I said, the phone is a non-UK version. Specs over here will all be in Chinese, but dual pixel obviously, which is the most crazy thing on here, which is f1.5 and f2.4 apertures at the back, so amazing low light camera quality. Optical image stabilization is really good as well. It is IP68 waterproof. We've got 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. Probably more than what my laptop has right now. You see over here we've got Duos written on top, so it is the dual SIM version. It is the midnight black colour. Let's go ahead and crack it open. So we've got S9 Plus written on top over here. Let's slide this open. At the front we've got Samsung, and then we will have our seals going all the way around. So do not accept if seal is broken, blah 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 blah. Let's cut the seal open. So it is fresh. Seal open, there you go. Bang. We got inside here, you can see the phone already. We got the SIM card opener. We also have a case as well, so it's pretty sweet actually. It also comes with a silicone gel case. That's really nice of Samsung to throw that in there. Got some warranty cards and stuff. Obviously they're not going to be in English. Like I said, this is an abroad phone. You cannot get this one in the UK. You have to buy them abroad. We've got the actual device over here. So here it is, Akg Headphones, dual cameras. Got some IMEI stickers over there. Got the main device over here as well. Looking good. Carry on going. We've got the USB connector over here. So this is used to transfer your data from your old phone across to the new phone, and I will be doing that as well. We got the fast charger over here as well. As you can see, it is a non-UK pin. That is why it comes with this adapter. You pop it in like so, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty cool. It is definitely fast charging. The watts on this one over here looks like 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and 0.5 amps. So that's pretty nice. What else? We should have the Akg headphones underneath here. So over here we have the Akg headphones. Pretty nice as well. I'm probably not going to be using these. I do have Bang & Olufsen ones which I got with my LG, but that's really nice. They do come with ones. These are really expensive headphones as well, so that's really cool that it comes with that. We've got the small and large earbuds. Akg headphones come already with the medium one, which is usually most people's size. Then we have this really long cable. Actually, this is very long. So we have a really long micro USB to really long USB to USB-C type cable. Obviously all the new phones will be using USB type C, especially all the high-end phones. And that is pretty much it with the unboxing videos, guys. This is literally just a basic unboxing video, everything that comes with the phone. So we got manual SIM card opener, and obviously got the main device. Over the main device we've got the Bixby button on this side over here. We've got the volume rocker up and down. Let's peel off all this rubbish on here. At the front we do have, I believe, is a 13 megapixel front camera. We've got some sensors over here, which is the iris sensors and also the face unlock. Obviously we've got the front facing speaker. This is dual stereo speakers, but it's tuned by AKG as well, so the speakers are a lot better on this phone than they were on the S8 and the Note 8. We've got, of course, got the power on, power lock button. We've got some stickers going all the way around over here as well. The back, we've got the dual aperture cameras. We've got dual cameras over here. One's wide angle, one's with f1.5 aperture and f2.5, I believe. Also got the dual flash and the fingerprint scanner at the back as well. This is a glass black, so you do want to keep a look after this. And as you can see, it's a little bit different at the bottom over here. I don't have the stamps because this is obviously a non-UK model, non-European model. So that is that. We've got the 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom, USB Type-C, microphone, and another speaker at the bottom. So there you go. We'll be doing, of course, the review video hopefully soon. I'm going to try my best to get it done. I know I say that a lot and I don't be able to get it done, but I'm going to try my best to get a review done. I'm also going to try and do a camera test and also compare it to the LG V20 and also compare it to the iPhone 8 as well. So as always, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and peace out.